I got involved with motorsports when I was about 4 years old. Just being around it with my dad. He used to race motocross. We got real competitive when I was about 12, 13. I think I turned amateur pro when I was 18. Earned my supercross license and got hurt when I was actually training for supercross. Just one of them freak practice accidents. Wasn't my worst crash, but it was definitely my worst injury. The moment it happened, I knew what happened. I felt my back break. And my mom was right there, and she got right to me, and I was like, "Mom, I broke my back, I'm paralyzed." The recovery actually went by a lot faster than the doctors and therapists expected. They thought I would be in rehab 6 to 8 weeks, and I was ready to go home in 2 weeks. So I knew that I still wanted to try and find something to race, and I had a friend, so he went out and bought a sport mod and asked us to come out and watch him race. And so when we did, I was sitting there and thinking, man, this is something that I could probably do. So we started looking for a car, and we ended up trading my last dirt bike for a modified. We got all the controls rigged up and designed them all ourselves, you know, just kind of some redneck engineering. We have a rod, and I push that for the brake, and then I put a clutch lever on that for the gas. So I squeeze for the gas and push for the brake. There's a lot going on in the cockpit when I'm driving, because I have to steer with my left hand and gas and brake with my right, so I stay pretty busy in there. As far as working on the car goes, I try and keep my dad's workload, you know, as little as possible. And for the most part, I do all the work on the car, the weekly work, maintenance, all that by myself. You know, if there's any heavy lifting or something, then I'll have him come out and help. But for the most part, you know, the small fixes, you know, lightweight lifting stuff, I can all do by myself. So the Trajan Q700 from Sawblade.com has been a huge help for, you know, working on the car. It's lightweight, portable, and I'll make my own bumpers, stuff like that, or if I'm repairing a part on the car, it's certainly a huge help, you know, being able to move that around. It's not very heavy, and we even carry it in the trailer with us to the races. For me, being self-efficient on the car just kind of gives me a peace of mind that, you know, hey, I'm not going to let this wheelchair stop me, you know, from acting like I'm not in a wheelchair, you know. You know, you only get one life to live. So you can't sit there and feel bad for yourself, because life isn't going to sit around and wait for you to move on, and you just got to move on and get past that and do what you enjoy.